Hey data enthusiasts, welcome back to Let's Talk About Data. You're watching our weekly data science project series, where we break down hands-on projects every Saturday at 7 p.m. CET. If you missed last week's project on customer segmentation using K-means clustering, check it out in the description. But today, we're diving into something super exciting: sentiment analysis on movie reviews. So, what is sentiment analysis? In simple terms, it's the process of determining the emotion behind a piece of text, whether it's positive, negative, or neutral. Think about this: when you read a movie review that says, "This movie was absolutely amazing. The cinematography was breathtaking," you can tell it's a positive review, right? But how can a machine do this automatically? That's where natural language processing (NLP) comes in. We can train a machine learning model to recognize sentiment in text using a labeled dataset. Sentiment analysis is used everywhere. Here are some common applications. Product reviews, understanding customer feedback for e-commerce sites like Amazon and Walmart. Social media monitoring, tracking brand sentiment on Twitter, Facebook, and Reddit. Customer support automation, AI chatbots detecting user frustration in support tickets. Stock market predictions, analyzing public sentiment on stocks and cryptocurrencies. Let's explore how we can implement this using Python and machine learning. For this project, we'll use the IMDb Movie Reviews dataset, which contains 50,000 movie reviews labeled as positive or negative. As you can see, each row contains a movie review and a label, positive or negative. Before training our model, we need to clean the text data, remove special characters and punctuation, convert text to lowercase, remove stopwords, common words like the, is, and, tokenization, breaking text into words, lemmatization, reducing words to their base form. Now, our dataset is clean and ready for the next step. Since machine learning models can't understand text directly, we need to convert our words into numbers. We'll use TF-IDF, term frequency inverse document frequency, to extract features. TF-IDF helps our model understand which words are most important in a text. Words that appear frequently but aren't common, like amazing in a positive review, get a higher weight. Now, our text is transformed into a numerical format that we can feed into a machine learning model. Next, we'll train a logistic regression model to classify movie reviews. As you can see, our model achieves an accuracy of around 85 to 90%, which is quite good. Let's test our model with some custom reviews. Try this with your own movie reviews and see how well the model performs. And that's it. We built a complete sentiment analysis model from scratch. For those of you who want to go deeper, try using naive Bayes, random forest, or even deep learning models like LSTMs to improve accuracy. Next week, we'll explore stock market analysis. We'll analyze historical stock trends and apply time series forecasting techniques. Like this video if you found it helpful. Subscribe for more weekly data science projects. Share your results on LinkedIn/Twitter with hashtag Let's Talk About Data. See you next Saturday at 7 p.m. CET. Until then, happy coding!